You're aware that mobile is important for your marketing, but you're not sure where to focus. What are the trends you need to pay attention to for your mobile marketing strategy? Welcome, I'm Rosh, and this is the Marketing Strategies channel. I'm trying to grow my business just like you are. Actually, I'm trying to double my revenue in 2018. Now, there are a number of mobile strategies to consider. However, there's one that you have to be careful of. It can have great results, but it can also tank your campaign. I'll talk about that one last. Google is taking mobile seriously. It is taking on a mobile-first approach, and so should you. Let me explain what that is. Mobile first is exactly what it means. Mobile first. It's literal. If you're designing a website, you focus on the mobile platform first in terms of your design. If you're creating a marketing strategy with a mobile first mentality, you focus on the mobile customer before you consider the desktop customer. Google is taking mobile first seriously. That's why they've rolled out their mobile first index. Google wants their customers to have a great experience, and that's why they put an emphasis on websites which are mobile optimized. They load quickly and are easy to use on tablets and smartphones. So if you're considering search engine optimization to drive traffic to your website, you definitely need to consider optimizing your website for mobile. So how much of your website traffic is mobile? Well, head on over to your Google Analytics and scroll down to Audiences, and then look under Mobile, and then you can see the overview and check out the individual devices which are driving traffic to your website. It's important to remember that SEO is more than web pages. It's also snippets and videos and photos which can drive traffic to your website. The trends of 2018 certainly indicate that video will still be important for years to come. So make sure not only should you have a mobile plan, you should have a focused video plan to help drive traffic to your website, develop awareness, and advertise your products and services. So what can you create videos on? New features, behind the scenes at your company. Show the human side of your people. Develop yourself as an expert. Create a community around the latest trends. Show your portfolio. Provide commentary on industry changes. And the big trend, go live and share your thoughts. It's important to remember that your mobile website traffic is generally local, and the fact is that mobile users are usually buyers because they're looking to purchase right now. They want it now. The social media trends for 2018 certainly continue to be mobile. Mobile apps, mobile social apps, which highly depend on photos and video to help tell stories. And with that, don't forget about using stories. Take advantage of the stories features on your apps. And be sure to have your smartphone with you so you can capture interesting moments and behind the scenes to share with your community. Mobile apps are still important in 2018 and will be for many years to come. But the fact is, today they have to have a purpose. It can't be a fancy business card. A mobile app must have a function that helps improve the relationship between you and the customer or improve the experience of using your product or service. Make it useful. Are you accepting mobile payments? If someone came up to you right now with a credit card, could you take their payment? You need to be able to say yes every single time and be up on the latest trends as mobile payment technology continuously evolves. I haven't thought of that. Text marketing is old school mobile, but the texting technology in 2018 is much better. Text marketing is a powerful way to keep your retention high for your current customers. Now, doing blind text and actually mass text is not a great way to go. It can actually hurt your campaign. People appreciate text from people that they know. If you're like me, you don't want to receive texts from people that you don't know. However, people who are proponents of text marketing will tell you, well, texts have a high open rate. That's true, but the people tend to be really mad after they open those texts. Studies have shown that cold texting can actually have a negative effect on your campaign. Text marketing is excellent for your current clients. In other words, a good follow-up system or letting people know of upcoming events or confirming appointments. In other words, texting is a personal marketing technique, great for retention, but you don't want to use it as a mass marketing tool. So how are you using mobile marketing in 2018? I look forward to reading your answers in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, make sure you like it and share it with your friends. If you don't want to miss a future upload, be sure to subscribe.